Alright, so we're doing Bash1 on Vagrant here. So if we go to Vagrant boxes, right, we are doing Bash1, like right here. Alright, and this thing's lined, we now have one download. Alright, so let's go ahead and start off with the Rust scan here. We already got the IP address and everything for it. Let's go ahead and throw that on there, okay? So it looks like we got 3 ports open, 4369 doesn't really matter, 3306 and 80. Let's go ahead and curl that port 80. Okay, looks like we definitely have a web page up and running here. And it looks like it's QDPM. Alright, so let's go ahead and see what that looks like. So we have a QDPM 9.1, right? So if we start looking that up, QDPM 9.1 exploit, we will see that there was a remote code execution authenticated, right? That's how we can help us out like right now. Okay. However, if we look up QDPM exploit and get rid of this 9.1, we may find some other stuff that may be able to help us out. Such as, it's still authenticated. Let's see here. So there is a local file inclusion exploit for this guy. So QDPM exposure unauthenticated. So database connection string exposure unauthenticated, right? So if we start looking at this, we have something in here that allows us to be able to look at different stuff, right? So we have an authenticated shell upload, remote code execution, and we also have information disclosure. All right. Now it doesn't say anywhere that that information disclosure will work with, hey, thanks a lot for the raid, Producer Wolf, with 9.1. However, if we try it, exploit 9.2, all right, we get this password exposure unauthenticated, right? Like I said, it doesn't say anywhere in here that will work with 9.1, but let's go ahead and give it a quick try to look here and see if we actually download the database. So we come back over here, and sure enough, we do download a database. So let's go ahead and move from downloads, database.yml to right here. Let's go ahead and sublime that database.yml. And we can see that sure enough, it sure does. QDPM 100% gives us a password here. And that is in clear text. So we know that root password now is this. But where are we going to put that password, right? Because if we try it here, we need an email address. So let's do a Ferox buster on this guy and see if we can find anywhere to actually put that. Get rid of all of that. Sure, whatever. Okay, we got all these carts, all this stuff and everything, right? Let's see what else we get here. Oh, that's all part of QDPM, like right there. I'm doing my own box. Never find anything else in here. I don't know if big.txt even has it in it. I just said sure and just went for it. Still nothing yet. Still nothing what we're looking for yet. I don't know if this database even has what we're even looking for in it. I mean, I feel like it should, but I actually don't know if it actually does or not. Looks like it's just going in the cart and everything like that. So let's go ahead and stop this. And we'll do a regular database here. Alright, so we see phpMyAdmin is up and running, right? Let's go ahead and go with that phpMyAdmin. stop this so we can stop killing the web server here. And we have root. Let's go ahead and that's our password supposedly. Throw that in there, hit enter, and sure enough, we can hop in. All right, so we have QDPM like right here. Let's go ahead and go over here. We'll go down to users. And we got two users here, right? A Wonderland and H Wonderland. Which his photo is actually a backdoor like right now.php. So I may have to fix that. I think I'm pretty sure I deleted that though, whenever I actually put it on the actual thing. So let's go ahead and grab this password. Okay. We'll echo that. And the hash.text. We'll try to use John the Ripper to crack that. Oh, let me go ahead and. Alright, we got 123123. So we do get his password, right? So now we have his password. Okay. We could try SSH in, but we do know SSH does not work. Obviously, port 22 wasn't up. So let's go ahead and utilize that exploit that we found from earlier. And that is the QDPM 9.1 remote code execution, right? We have remote code execution like right here for authenticated, and we have authentication now. Let's go and grab this. Okay, we'll run that, see what it needs. All right, what happened here? Go ahead and download it and we'll move it to ourselves. No, it really does not like that now, does it? Let's go ahead and can we do like attack H or anything like that? Nope. Line 59, huh? Let's go ahead and fix this exploit real quick then. Line 59 is saying, yeah, sure enough doesn't. We got to do a little boop. There we go. That might work a little better now. Let's go and try this. Nope. Dedicated line 94 now. Oh boy, this thing really messed it up, huh? There we go. Let's go ahead and save that now. Now let's try running again. Oh my goodness. Authenticity token equals. Where's that at? What line is that on? Line 71. I don't know what the hell authenticity token equals. Alright, I got another idea. Let's go ahead and use one from GitHub. Because we're going to be sitting there fixing that one all damn day. As you can see, I might have done this once or twice. QDPM exploit.py. Let's go and grab this guy right here. See if this one works. So we can see we can put a login URL, username, password, and everything like that. Let's go and try this guy right here. Okay. And the login URL, right? We need to put that in first. So let's go ahead and grab that like real quick. Which is just that like right there. Okay, username is H Wonderland. Let's go ahead and grab his password. Let's go ahead and grab this guy's password like right here. Or his oh, it's actually admin at bash.local. Never mind. Let's go ahead and throw that into there. See, I don't know what the hell I do with my own boxes. I have no idea. Password, we'll say 123.123. Then path to payload, our payload here. Let's go ahead and copy reverse shell into here. Grab my IP address first. Okay, and we'll go ahead and we'll listen. We'll start probably have to start web server, I think, but let's see here. Let's try listen just at first. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we'll go ahead and we'll throw this into there. There we go. Listen to report 1234. Sure, why not? This should match your PHP payload, which it does. Then connection delay. Okay, cool. So let's go ahead and try to run that guy. Is it Python 2? Maybe this thing just fucking hates everything, huh? What we got here? Okay, let's just, instead of freaking playing this game, let's just grab another one. That's PHP payload. Test.py, what's that? Is this exactly what we have in the other one? Guess we'll find out here in a second, huh? Looks like the same exact thing, but let's try it. No, we froze. Oh my god. Okay. Not quite the same exact thing, but I mean, it looks like the same exact thing, doesn't it? So, okay, now let's go ahead and qdpm.py. Let's see if this works. Well, I actually want to leave that index.php in there. I wonder if that'll actually work. So that'll actually all work like right there. So we probably do something like that. And it was admin at bash.local, right? Password was 123123. Then the payload is going to be this guy like right here. Shell.php. Right. Let's go and try that now. A little bit better. And we do get a callback. Alright, cool. So we get a callback, right? Let's go ahead and get a full shell going here. Feel weird doing my own machine. Okay. Now that we're here, cd/home, and we got this caret and H Wonderland on the machine. Okay, A Wonderland has been on here. Okay, we can try to su into H Wonderland with that password we already had. Okay, and that does work. All right, cool. So now we are H Wonderland now. Let's try sudo tac-l, see if we get anything. Okay, he can't run it. Okay, what about SUID bits? All right, we have a big idea of what to do like right now with this SUID bits. We have this doas.conf. Okay, so if we look at that, we can see that we permit no pass H Wonderland as root. Okay, so let's go ahead and do a doas. All right, we're going to permit this as root, right? So we can actually look up doas and hit enter. Okay, so we need a user. So let's say root, a command. Say who am I guess? Okay, root. Okay, so we know that is working. So can we just do a bin bash? And we are root. cd/root. And that is it. You don't get a flag. That's not how I roll. I don't roll flags. All right, so that is it. That is the whole machine like right there. Pretty easy machine. As long as you find that exploit at the very beginning. Yeah, I told you. Easy day. Not hard. We have a bookshelf in here. I don't know what that's all about. Beginner's Guide, 4th Edition Engineering. V2 PDF. Easy day. Yep. Easy day. So we can watch everyone struggle through it. And you all know that does work. That's the same exact thing that's on the other one. So that's it.